So it's like some people like to copy each other because it gives them a sense of security. It gives them a sense of feeling the same as one another. Like sometimes people copy each other's footwear, each other's fashion. Yeah, sometimes people copy each other's fashion. Sometimes people copy the way others speak. Sometimes people copy the things that people buy. Sometimes people just copy. Yeah, because they see someone with something they want it to. Well, my message to you is be original, okay? Like, obviously we can't help it. Like, if we want to get on the tram or a bus or something, like other people do that, but we don't have to sit where everyone else sits, you know what I mean? We can have our favourite spot to sit in, you know what I mean? Customise your life, personalise your life, and love your life. Love unlimited. Peace, love and blessings. All day, every day.